I roll this one now onto this. This is the Excel over there, obviously. Let's go to 2, obviously. No, it's traction. What the heck? Usually it's hydraulic.
Second floor.
I think I shut the door on somebody, but what do you expect? Glare of the indicator. Yeah, always see me here, but here's your directory. This is like the Target and Herald Square almost.
First floor.
Unfortunately, these lanterns are wired backwards. Red is up and white is down.
Second floor.
Let me see something here. Alright. Now it's red for down. Red is up, which I don't know why. There you have it.
First floor.
That's it.